Yo, kugira ngo dukomezanye neza turya show, wanze muhamagare perezida wa koperative ubumwe n'imbaraga 078 500 376 abantu mushaka filime kujye ajya batamo. Sinshaka kujya nirwa nshwana namwe ngo filime zabuze abimusanze nabandi mushaka gukorana na koperative yitwa ubumwe n'imbaraga y'Imusanze muhamagare nimero niyi filime nibo bayishyuye. Urumva ukuntu mba show Sibyo turyo show umva amagambo kantu ku kandi episode ya mbere.
My name is Kara Zor-El.
Amazina yanjye banyita Kara Zor-El.
4 years ago my planet Krypton
yaka 24 ishize umubumbe wacu Krypton
was in serious peril.
Wari uri kurimbuka biri seri.
My cousin Kal-El was sent to a planet called Earth.
Mubyara wanje witwaga Kareri bamwereje ku mubumbe witwaga Isi
for his own safety and protection.
Umutekano we n'ubwirinzi bwe bw'amagambo.
You may know his story.
Ushobora kuba mwarigeze mumenya inkuru ye. Amagambo. Hey. Ukicogajuru cyagurutse ku mubumbe bitaga Krypton bacyohereje ku Isi kizanye umwana bitaga Kal-El.
That I was sent to protect him.
Gusa inkuru mutamenye nuko nanje bari banyohereje ngo nze ndidu uwo mwana w'umuhungu. Gasani. Hey. Ibyogajuru byagurutse ari bibiri bijya kuva ku mubumbe bitaga Krypton. Ari kimwe cyahagurutse. Umukobwa ngo bamwita Zor-El. Umusaza we bamwitaga umuvandimwe we kazini yarya ni mubyare ibintu nk'ibyo. Ya mubyare bamwitaga nde Kal-El, umukobwa akamwita Zor-El. Icyogajuru cye twashyizemo coordinates ziri bugende zigahura aho icya Kal-El kiri buze kugwa ni naho icyawe kiri buze kugwa. Ugiye kumukurikira mujya ku Isi. Ntabwo abafite papa akuno. Urugendo ruraba rurerure. Mushobora no kuzagenda musinzira mu nzira. Ndetse tuzaturi kumwe nawe mu nzira. Urugendo rukwerekeza ku Isi. Ujya kwita kuri mubyara wawe w'umwana muto Kal-El. Kubera yuko mwana wanjye Isi imeze nk'izuba ry'umuhondo ufite imbaraga zihagije kuri uyu mubumbe uzaba ufite imbaraga zihagije pe. Ndetse uzakora ibintu bihambaye birenze ibyo wakoraga kuri uyu mubumbe. Ntabwo nzigera ntengo wa Kal-El cyangwa nawe ngo ngutenguye. Umwana nuko icyogajuru cye bari bagiye kugira gute kujyagurutsa ku mubumbe bita Krypton bagiye kucyohereza kwizi. Ndagukunda Kara Zor-El akuru mubumbe wari uri kurimbuka ngaho cyenda nuna mwana. Hey rebe oja kana kari kagiye kuva hehe muri Krypton. Zor-El aje gurinda akabyara ke bitaga Kal-El ngaho cyenda nuna. Cyogajuru cya Kal-El cyahagurutse mbere icya Zor-El gihaguruka nyuma atazagira n'akantu kabashabuka. Tuba turi kumwe neza uko icyogajuru cyagurutse kimanuka cyerekeza ku Isi gikurikiye cya mubyaro we Kal-El.
Exactly go according to my mother's plan.
Uko ibintu byagenze rero si uko mama yari yarabipanze uko yabipanze siko byagenze. Hey umubumbe ashwanyutse umwana akiri mu kirere. Dore impact ngo zirakubita cya cyogajuru yari arimo.
Destruction sent a shockwave.
Kurimbuka kwa wa mubumbe Krypton byohereje icyo bita shockwave cyangwa se ubuse ndabivuga ngo iki mu Kinyarwanda ko natwe oshi nawe oshi byohereje icyo bita shockwave birangije bikubita icyogajuru narindi agenda njya muri phantom zone. Abantu mwize geography mubyumva neza cyane cya physics ni ahantu igihe kitagenda ya igihe ntikigenda nimba ari ntukura ntusaza ubwo guma gutyo nyine tu. Icyogajuru cye cyagiye muri phantom zone. Nagiye muri cyagiye hamwe igihe kitagenda ahantu igihe kitagenda.
I slept there for 24 years.
Naryamye aho hantu imyaka isaga 24. Ubwo urumva icyogajuru cya mubyara we cyo cyari cyarageze ku Isi karabaye tayari.
Until somehow I got here.
Kugeza umunsi umwe naje kwisanga hanga bamagambo.
When I arrived, I was still a 13-year-old girl.
Nari nyiri kakana kagakobwa k'imyaka 13.
But in that same time,
ariko nanone muri icyo gihe ngera ku Isi,
my cousin Kal-El had
grown up yari yarakuze.
Revealed himself
arangije aranyigaragariza
your world as Superman.
Ndetse ni wisi yanyu yamenye nka Superman.
Powerful man in the universe.
Ndetse ni nawe mugabo ufite imbaraga zihambaye kurusha abandi bose muri risanzu.
Cousin wanted me to have the same safe.
Mubyara wanjye rero yashakaga ko nzaba mfite umutekano.
Human type childhood he did.
Ndetse nkakura nk'ikiremwa muntu nk'abana b'abantu nuko nawe yakuze.
Me with my adoptive family.
Bwanjyanaga mu muryango wa nyadopse.
The Danvers.
Babitaga ba Danvers, the Danvers.
scientists who once helped him understand his own super ability.
umuscientifique wari warigeze amufasha kugira ngo asobanukirwe imbaraga ze ndetse n'ibyo ashaka.
No, I'm not your mom, sweetheart.
ubwo rero amubwiye ati ndabizi sweetheart ushobora kuba nari mama wawe,
But you're safe here.
ariko hano ufite umutekano wa Denvers. wumve hakuno
Daughter, Alex. And despite being
bari bafite umwana w'umukobwa bitaga Alex.
born on different planets, we
nubwo twe twaravukiye ku mibumbi itandukanye,
both shared one thing.
njye nawe hari ikintu kimwe twari duhuriye.
Our lives would never be the same again.
twari tubizi neza ko ubuzima bwacu butazakomeza kuba ubwo ngubwo.
He didn't need my protection.
nibwo Superman yafashe ikirere arongera arigurukira. abarebye seri yitwa Simoruvire muraza kwitonda sibyo nazaba nge mbakubitire ko mu marido ngumvunire mu mavi mitambabwini wagwani kama mbaya Yes, ngira imikino.
Mission anymore.
Nta mission nimwe nari nyifite kubera ko naje nje kurinda yari yarakuze mbere yanje.
But even though I had all the same powers he did,
ubwo nari mfite imbaraga nk'izo nawe yari afite.
sorry.
Nyangane munyangane yaje
Decided the best thing I could do is fit in.
nagerageje ikintu cyonyine nagerageje nari nshoboye kurusha ibindi ni ukwiyakira mu kiremwa muntu fit in. Umve akuno ikara nyuma ya byose
Didn't need another hero.
kubera ko isi nta n'indi ntwari yari ikeneye bari bafite Superman.
I need 2 tickets in the orchestra section.
ikeneye amatike abiri ajya muri orchestra section.
For Wicked? No, not
Oje.
Miss Grant. Her mother wants
nagara ya Miss Grant
See it.
turashaka ya mama wiwe na Miss Grant.
Yes, again.
yego nanone
Sure.
sawa kanihangana
Charlie?
akuno
I'm
Charlie ngiye
calling
kugwama
about the correspondence dinner. I need to make sure Miss Grant doesn't end up next to Bill O'Reilly again.
sinshaka ko mabuja aza kongera kurya ibiryo nka bya bindi by'ubushize oya
I work
bitunganye
at Catco Worldwide Media,
nkora muri Catco Worldwide Media ni igitangazamakuru
an online and print empire built
online and print empire ni igitangazamakuru nyine gikorera online ndetse kinandika ibinyamakuru
by my boss, Cat Grant,
cyubatswe na mabuja bita Cat Grant.
the most powerful woman in National City.
niwe mugore ufite imbaraga uhambaye kurusha abandi muri National City.
At least
kibura
for the next few days.
mu minsi mike nyine iri imbere tuzaza.
There was an armored car robbery last night.
wigeze ubona imodoka yigeze amadikare yarayikoze ubujurizo ijoro ryashize.
There are no witnesses except
nta mutangabuhamya
this homeless guy who swears the
usibye uriya muntu wamfunguriye niwe wabibonye.
perp had horns
ngo baje bakubita amahoni
on his head.
umve hakuno
They're out there.
umusore bakorana umukobwa yaje gukura abantu ntibazi ko yaturutse kuri crypto wapi.
You read this website.
You like that website?
niwe wandika kuri website si
I contribute.
yamfasha abandi kwandika.
Hey,
umve
I was wondering if maybe you want to,
nibazaga nimba ushaka
I don't know, go see.
sinzi nyine shushu mbe
I
iri joro dusohokane tujye kureba agasobanuye ka gaheza ya
can't.
wampi
I'm sorry.
babari
I have a date.
iri joro mfite date hari undi turi buze gusohokana. koko
Great.
sawa
Fun. Dating's fun.
basi se ninde muri buze kujyana.
Online date.
oya ni wa muntu tuba twarahuriye online wawe
Says we are 82% compatible. So
kandi turi compatible hafi nka 82% njye nawe turabizi si byaba ari
You
sawa.
know that you can't quantify emotions based on an algorithm.
we ntukagenda uvuga widentify amarangamutima y'umuntu ugendeye kuri algoritme zidafasha.
IT isn't your whole life based on algorithms?
none se ubuzima bwawe bwose ntabwo bushingiye kuri algoritme.
Yeah, so if there was an algorithm for love, I think
nyine
that
niba ari algoritme z'urukundo
I would know about it.
izo nazo nakabaye
Know when it hits you, Kara, it'll be all.
ubona nta muntu uzagukubita kare we umve hakuno kiraho
This elevator is a human petri dish. It's
iki Ivette iki esanseri nacyo gifite ikibazo.
like standing up in coats.
kumbuye kiratangira kumva amajwi ya nyabuja babuja araje bibwiwe n'iki hakuno to
Miss Grant,
mwaramutse Miss Grant.
I bought this building was because it had a private elevator.
jewe afite nyirabuja wiyemera njya kugura inzu nayiguze kubera ko inzu yari ifite esanseri bwite.
That way I don't have to get soaked in cheap cologne every morning getting
niyo
to my
mpamvu ntashakaga kujya gukora ahantu mbyigana n'abantu muri gitondo ahantu
my
hacururiza.
office, find out who used it, have them
shakira umuntu wakoresheje esanseri yanjye
reprimanded or bathed. I don't care which. Here's your watch.
sinitaye ngo ninde mugende mumwoze ari kunuka.
say hot.
hano hari agakaka karacyashyushye.
That'll be new and different.
nizere ko ari agakawa gashyashye gatatu.
Meeting with the board today at lunch, so
uyu
cancel
munsi mfitanye inama na bodi.
sushi with my mother.
rero ubwo ibiryo nari kujya gusangira na mama counseling iyo order kandi mwibuke umukobwa yari amaze gutanga order ko nyirabuja arajya gusangira na nyina.
Oh, and cancel my therapist.
n'umuterapist wanjye wa muganga ushinzwe ibyo mu mutwe nawe
I
umucounseling.
won't be needing it if
Ntago
I'm
nkimukeneye.
not having lunch with my mother.
na mama ntabwo turi buze gusangira ibya ranch harya ni saa sita ibya saa sita
Got it.
saa ndabyumva. umve hakuno
Also,
ikindi
I've emailed a list.
namaze kwandika email ya list.
Prepare termination letters for the Tribune employees as noted.
uze kwandika utegure inzandiko zihereza abakozi babimenyesha.
So nice if you handwrote them.
ariko byaba byiza ubyandikishije intoki.
Use the lesser card stock.
ukoreshe neza card stock.
You're downsizing the Tribune?
ariko numva uri kubigira nk'ari ibintu biciriritse mabusha kuri kubidownsizing.
But that was your first acquisition.
Go see if the new art director has the layout ready.
none se director mushyashya ubundi ariteguye cyangwa ube hakuna.
It's not that I don't see your frown. It's
rero nakicaza ari uko nakubona ko ushoboye akazi muko.
just that I don't care enough to ask why it's there.
si ahubwo impamvu nuko mba ntashaka kukubaza ngo kubera icyo utegura.
All those people, they're going to lose their
none
jobs.
se mabusha izo nzandiko ngiye kwandika aba bantu bose bagiye kubura akazi kabo.
What's going to happen to them? To their
ese bigiye kubagendekera
families?
nkabo
They don't have to
imiryango yabo.
downsize at the Daily Planet.
ntago wagabanya abakozi mabusha. mabusha agiye kugabanya kampani.
Metropolis has a person who wears a cape and flies around performing heroic acts.
ubundi iteka ryose bitangiye hari umuniga wiyambitse utuntu tw'utugofero ari kugenda ngavugira rubanda.
It puts this superlative man on their cover.
dore nyirabuja ariko ni incipare shawdo. dore inshinzi.
Go find me a hero, Kara.
urashaka kugira ngo ubatabare se ntibabura akazi kabo kala. ubwo shaka ikintu cya danje nyine hano nta nkuru tugifite zo kwandika. yatumba barire kala.
Hello?
Kara Denvers. hakuno yagarutse hano. yewe
Just a minute.
buretse gato.
Miss Grant sent me for layouts and she doesn't like to wait.
Miss Grant yaranyohereje ngo ntago yiteguye gukomeza
Wait
gutegura.
a minute.
wamubwiye se agategereza akanya
Have you
gato.
met Miss Grant?
ako wigeze uhura na Miss Grant.
What you gonna do? Fire me right after hiring me?
aranyirukana aribwo akima akazi se ni director mushyashya ngo bazanye mu kazi.
Boss.
yebe hakuno kureba yabonye umusore bogari. ninjye mushyashya hano. umbe
It's him.
nuriya.
I've seen this picture like a million
ifoto bisa nkaho nayibonye
times at one of
inshuro nyinshi. abona Superman ari kuguruka mu kirere. mwibuka Superman ni mubyara w'uyu mukobwa.
Wow.
ariko umukobwa ntiyabivuga. mwibuka umukobwa yahisemo kuba ubuzima bw'abantu.
First real shot of him. Little secret, he actually posed for that.
mwibanga rikomeye cyane ako gafoto nagafashe nipowe.
Guess he likes me.
ndakeka arankunda kuko niwe watumye mufotora iyo foto abishaka mwana. umve
Oh my God,
Mwana.
you're Jimmy Olsen,
niwe Jimmy Olsen.
the photographer from the Daily
mukameze wakameze jeje umuseveni.
Planet.
James Olsen.
banyita James Olsen ntago nitwa Jimmy Olsen.
Well, Jimmy's reserved for my mom and the big guy. He's kind of stuck in his ways.
ebe
I know what I've read, but
nabizi nyine nasomye icyo kinyamakuru. none se
what's he like in real life?
ubuzima busanzwe Superman ubundi akunda iki? baherukana kera kakiri gato ajya kukareresha. umve
He is
Superman
everything you want him to be and more.
buri kintu wakwifuza ko yaba cyo ndetse arenze ibyo mwana. nyine icyo nshatse kuvuga
Scared to move out here. But he told me the biggest
ni
risk
nasaze ngiye kuza hano.
he's never taking any, so
arangije arambwira ngo ikintu cya mbere kibi mu buzima ni ukutiga gufata risk. umve Superman niko yamubwiye.
take it.
iyo foto ijyane mwana. yijyane nyine iyo foto tu.
Oh God,
ujya ntago najyana.
can't.
It's just a print.
icyo ni igishushanyo gusa tukijyane ntari.
But first you have to tell me who you are.
ariko mbere na mbere urabanza ubwira uwo uriwe. umukobwa arikanga.
I never got your name.
ntago yigeze umbwira izina rye. umukobwa yari yikanze yaragize ngo uyu mugabo aramuzi. man naka ninja ni keza.
Yeah, Kara.
banyita Kara.
Kara Danvers.
Kara Denvers. mwibuke Denvers ni izina ry'umuryango wamureze Kara.
Anyone ever tell you that you look
hari umuntu wigeze akubwira ko
like him right here?
usa nawe n'uriya mugabo cyangwa yarikanga.
No,
oya karikanga.
no.
oya
You're the first.
niwe wambwira ubimbwiye.
Thank you.
urakoze cyane. nta nubwo kamuhashije ngo uwe mugabo mbwiye se dusa. akasemana do kari baraguza. show iruka aba ntago ari abo kuri higa show hebe si episode ya mbere ndabatamo noneho
Conference in Geneva, and I need to be
mfite inama muri Geneva
on a plane in 2 hours.
kandi nkeneye kuba ndi mu ndege mu masaha abiri.
I have a blind date in a half an hour.
iri joro mfite blind date nari mfite blind date mu isaha n'igice.
I need you to help me pick out what to wear.
ndagira ngo nanjye mfashe rero ntoranya akantu ndi bwambare ngende naba minini.
Why do you?
kubera nyina ngo nukugenda yambaye imini niko njya mbyumva
And you love me.
kubera ko ndi mushiki wawe urangwa
I don't know.
Since-
I feel like I'm not living up to my potential.
bisa nkaho ibintu byane
I went to work for Cat Grant because I
nagiye ngiye gukora cat grant
thought working in a media
kubera ko nari nzi gukora mu gihe utangaza amakuru
actually shaped
cyane cyane cy'umugore nk'uriya wiyubatse umeze neza
me the way that I could make a difference.
abantu bazatangira kuntekereza ko ndi umuntu watanga itandukanye ariko
Instead, I just fetch layouts and coffee.
icyo nshoboye ni ukujya nirwa njya kumutoragura ibyandiko hirya no hino mu maofisi mu amaraporo no kumuzanira
You always wanted to be normal.
je akiteka woza ushaka
Right?
kuba umuntu usanzwe sibyo
Being a crappy boss and
kugira boss ugutesha umutwe
absolutely nothing to wear.
ukaba uri wa mukobwa uvuga uti nabuze ikintu nambara ngo nsohoke njye
This is what
imihanda
normal looks like.
uko niko kuba umuntu bisanzwe bibiri
I'm not normal.
ariko njye ntabwo ndi umuntu usanzwe
Same powers he does.
njye mfite imbaraga nk'izo superman afite umva kandi agakobwa gatangiye kwigeranya kuri superman
Lift a bus.
naterura
To
bisi
stop a bullet.
nahagarika isasu
Why?
alex naguruka umve
I think I can. I haven't done it in years.
njye nyine nubwo ntigeze ngerageza ariko ndabizi nabishobora imyaka myinshi kara
You've got a good job.
ufite akazi keza
You're cute.
uri icyuki
And thanks to your alien DNA,
basi banza ushimire imana yaguhaye izo mbaraga nk'iza dna
you can't get pimples.
ntaguza n'ibiheri nk'abandi bakobwa iyo iki n'iki tugiye imugongo pimples wa musanzu zitwa mu mugongo
Not so bad.
ubuzima ntabwo ari bubi mwana
If you really want to help somebody,
nimba hari umuntu ushaka gufasha
you will pick between one of these two
uraza guhitamo hagati y'imyenda
so
ibiri
I can get on my plane.
kugira ngo ujye kwifatira indege yanjye
Yep.
sana reka nambare
When in doubt, go with blue. It is your color.
oya ubururu niryo bara
All right.
sawa
Give
umve
me every detail from your date, and I will
uze kunyandikira details za buri kantu kose z'umuhungu mugiye guteretana
call you when I'm back from Geneva.
nanjye nzaguhamagara mvuye muri Geneva ni mushiki we bakuranywe bareranywe famiye yo kwa ba Demfas niyo yabareze so yagahindukira kare kuri ya foto yande yamubyara we Superman twe turabizi ko Superman ari we Kalel abantu mwarebye seri yitwa Smallville muraza kwitonda kugira tugendane neza hakuno y'ubwo yakiraho
I gotta hit this back over.
ndaje umusore basohokanye atangira guhamagara udutelefone twa tunato kumbuye umukobwa afite amatwi asikana
Make sure your number's on it.
menye neza ko telefone yawe irabifunguye kumbuye yari ibesa ahita yaka indi ninja nimero umukobwa arabyumva afite amatwi akora ntagaraba
Shortly after takeoff,
Maybe.
National City
Welcome.
Airlines Flight 237 bound for Geneva
indege iri kwerekeza Geneva National City Airline flight 237
is experiencing some loss of altitude.
yagize ikibazo cyo kuba itari kuzamuka hejuru ngo ijya kuri altitude hejuru cyangwa se ubutumburuke
Pilot seems to be circling the city
asa nkaho pilot yafashe umwanzuro wo gukomeza kuzenguruka mu mujyi umukobwa arabibona kandi indege irimo mukuru we wari ugiye Geneva
apparent engine failure.
kubera ko indege yagize ikibazo cya moteri nta nubwo iri bubashe kugera ku kibuga
Did
cy'indege
you say Geneva?
Updated as
aravuze ngo Geneva we Alex yahise abyumva mushiki we manuka hanze asohoka hanze kureba indege mu kirere mfite ikibazo cya moteri uyu arayibona afite amaso si abantu mfite amaso arasukana x-ray reba mu ndege abona mushiki we cya mukuru mukobwa bayatabara afite imbaraga z'abana amaze igihe ibintu atabikora sinzi ariko zatabare ava kuri crypto si umuntu kuzamuka biranga amaze igihe atitoza wapa ibiranga gira gutya zamuka ibirere nuko yazamutse mu kirere do ikara Demfas akamubyara wande wa Kalel zamuka mu kirere ndege arayibona neza yitonze moteri ifite ikibazo kandi mukuru ari muri indege indi moteri turayibuze over mayday indege iraza kugwa byanze bikunze nuko yazamutse ibirere do nguwo reba indege nini za ndege zitwarira abantu icyarimwe moteri iramukubita ikamuhusha akayicamo nagaraba hakuno mu mujyi abantu bose babireba sinzi episode ya mbere nuko utitangiye umwana yaje kwiba abantu ndege arayibyimba mukuru wareba barakuranye arabizi ko yatari umuntu abona indege wapi ntago ari kuyifatisha neza ayijya munsi arayibyimba arayizamura zamura indege neza yitonze ahantu ku kandi reba filime witonze mwana indege atangira kwizamura hejuru kureba imbere abona ikiraro kandi oya Kigali we kandi indege ayifashe nabi sinzi ko indege itagonga ikiraro indege yaje yerekeza ku kiraro mwana ayijya munsi ayitera intoki mu mbavu indege arayihengeka indege arayengetse neza neza cyane bose babireba sinzi n'iki byose indege ica mu kiraro wowe uwo munsi igitangaza cyarabaye abantu babireba indege arayizanye arayiparika ku mazi neza cyane indege ku mazi ziraparika ibyo ni ibintu bisanzwe indege nk'izi nini baba barashyize mu buryo ku mazi parika bose babireba bose babireba umunsi umwana yakoze igitangaza yararimo avuga ati ubundi ko mfite imbaraga nk'iza Superman hakuno Agasani bose batangiye gufotora Alex yarabibonye kari mukuru ubikoze murumuna ubikoze karishimye bana do yarabibonye bivuze ngo gahita gacaho gako iki ni ikibazo Super Girl yaribonye izina rya film episode ya mbere
The passengers of flight 230
abagenzi bari mu ndege 237 bisa nk'abo abanyamarayika muri nzi
what many report to be a female
bavuze umugore babonye iri kuguruka mu kirere baragito ingwe n'ufite hiti y'inyanya zibimene ndatwitse
guardian angel or
human
wrecking ball. There is
yarameze nka human wrecking ball
destruction all over Autobinder Bridge.
yatucishije kuri Binda Bridge cyakira cyo mu Gatsata.
Well, you try saving a plane for the first time, see if you don't make a mess.
Oh
my God.
Manager Alex yavuyeyo. Hey.
No!
Ari busy.
It's incredible.
Birarenze wana sisi na twitsi ski.
That was too hard. I'm so
Nari gayo.
I still can't believe I did it.
Kwizera ko nabikoze yigo.
Can I?
Nanjye sinabyize.
Are you okay?
Umeze neza?
Am I okay? Are you okay?
Ahubwo umeze
Are you
neza?
scared?
Mana.
I mean, I was scared too, but
Nari mfite ubwoba namwe mufite ubwoba.
you had to have been terrified because
Byanze kunze mwari mufite ubwoba.
you had no idea I was coming to save you.
Ntago mwari muzi ko ndi buze kubatabara.
I need a drink.
Nkeneye ikintu cyo kunywa, nkeneye ikintu cyo kunywa.
We need to celebrate.
Dukeneye guserebura kanzane boto.
Long. I almost forgot how to fly.
Usiko byari byanze kuguruka mwana hari yabuze gato nari narabyibagiwe.
Not so much how, but more.
Ikibazo si cyane ahubwo ni
More how it feels.
Cyo niyumvagamo byari show ewana.
But good scared.
Mwana nari mfite ubwo ari kubwoba bwiza nyine tu.
Like that moment right before you kiss someone for the first time.
Byari bimeze nka cyagiye uri gusoma umuntu bwa mbere.
And now it's like
I'm
not sure what comes next. Or maybe I am sure and I'm just afraid of what it means. And if it means what I think it means. What were you thinking? You exposed yourself. The world. There now, Kara. Everyone will know about you and you can't take that back. I don't want to. That's what I was talking about, Alex. I've always felt the need to help people. Tonight, I finally got that chance. Travel 2,000 light years just to be an assistant. What if people figure out who you are? What you are? It's safe for you to do anything like that ever again.
Kuzongera gukora ibintu nka biriya nta mutekano wawe waba urimo mwana wapi karababaye kazi ko mukuru akaraza gashima wapi karababaye
I'm kind of tired.
Mwana ndarambiwe.
Carried a plane on my back.
Ikore indege ku bitugu byanjye ku rutirigongo rwanjye none ubu ngiye kuryama kweli.
You should go.
Nari bigenda mwana.
So I didn't warn you.
Uzavuge ngo sinakuburiye. Uzavuge ngo sinakurabuye. Gira imikino kandi imikino ivamo imikino.
National City, our top
Aramutse muri National City.
story.
Inkuru itari ivumbi.
The only story anyone's talking
Abantu bose niyo nkuru bari kuvuga.
Who is the mystery flying
Uyu ni ndagurukaga tutaramenya uwawe.
woman who saved the plane?
Umugore watabaye indege mu gitondo cya kare. Hano mu itangazamakuru mwibuka akora muri Cat Worldwide. Kwa Cat Grant nyirabuja. Nyirabuja bita Cat Grant.
Extensive efforts, no one
has been able to identify her.
Umuntu wigeze abasha kumenya ngo uriya mukobwa ni uriya mugore.
Or rather, what
cyangwa ngo yari igiki. Umve, kumbi n'uyu mukobwa. Ukabonye ubona ari akajambo kambaye buri net do.
Pretty cool, huh? A plane saving lady.
Uriya mugore watabaye iriya ndege kumbi n'uyu bari ko.
How is the world supposed to take her seriously when she can't even
Utisiri buze gufata uriya mukobwa ikabona kari seriye.
come up with a suit?
Niba tagira suit yabasha kwambara ngo tumubone nyine.
The Metropolis gets hit.
Metropolis se yo niramuka igize.
And then what does National City get? Some
Kibazo hano cyavuze. Uyu mururu w'intwari y'umururu bite byayo. Urababara ngende umururu.
I know many of you are used to being second best, but it's new to me.
Ndabizi mwese mwigize abahanga ariko ninjye wa mbere ubundi urenze nyirabuja abantu.
The most incredible event in the history of National City.
Ikintu cya mbere cyabaye kiruta ibindi byose byigeze biba mu mateka ya National City.
And yet we have no exclusive of any kind.
Ariko ikibabaje nta kimenyetso na gito tubifite.
Don't have much to go on. Image we're working off of is low res.
Ntabwo twurega twabonye umwanya uhagije wo gufata amafoto wapi.
Around 5'9". It's tough to gauge.
Cyo kuriya mukobwa afite nka 5 n'ibice 9 hiti.
With their height measured up against an airplane.
Nyine twagende ku burebure bw'indege dupima uko yaresha. Imisatsi y'umukara, ibara ry'umukara w'imisatsi. Ko ndashimbogo. I have received the package. Ibara ry'imisatsi we ryari umukara.
Or black.
Or maybe her
Brown cha black nyine tu ryari ryishimye mu kuntu cyanga ari
hair is
umukara.
just dirty. You know, from soot. The plane exhaust.
Yavuyeyo.
The plane exhaust.
James, you make an excellent point.
Uvuze ingingo rata James.
Do you think there's any connection
Ese murakeka aba ari ihuriro
between this hero
hagati y'intwari
To
twabonye
my friend in blue?
na ya nshuti yanjye bayambaye ubururu se?
I don't know.
Sinzi.
I mean, not that he mentioned, but
Kuko ntigeze abimbwira ubw'inshuti ari kuvuga ntituramenya ngo niye.
if she's anything like him,
Ariko nimba uyu mukobwa afite ahuriye n'uwo mugabo
she's a hero.
nawe yaba ari intwari pe. Umve.
Saving people's what they're born to do. She'll
Kubera ko gutabara abantu nicyo bavuga.
be back.
Araza kugaruka uwo mukobwa byanze bikunze.
better be?
Ikiza garuka kibera. Uyu mukobwa niwe gisubizo.
She is exactly what I need to save the Tribune.
Icyo gisubizo narijyane kugira ngo ntabara akazi
These
beke
foods, there
kwirukana.
is nothing people love more than a hero.
Kandi nta kintu abantu bakunda kurusha intwari ubu.
We are going to blow her up.
Uriya mukobwa rero tugiye kumuhuhera. To blow her nka kwa kundi nyine inzuki ziba ziri mu mutima mukazihata umwotsi kugira ngo zisohokemo.
Her online and in the paper.
Uriya mukobwa tugiye kumwandika online tumwandike no ku bipapuro.
But we need images.
Ariko dukeneye amafoto.
We need video. We
Dukeneye amavideo.
need an interview
Dukeneye interview.
and exclusive content.
Inkuru itariho ivumbi wana.
So go.
Genda rero mujye gushaka inkuru.
Meet that girl.
Genda munshakire uwo mukobwa.
Kara.
Nubwo icyo batazi umukobwa ari hano. Wekera.
Go get me a lettuce wrap.
Nawe genda uzane lettuce wrap. Hakuno.
It's funny. That was the first
Sekeje
thing he did.
Cyo kintu cya mbere yakoze.
Save a plane, I mean.
Nawe yatabaye indege nyine. Umve. Kuki uyu James ari kubibwira uyu mukobwa ese yaba muzi cyangwa? Sinzi.
When I need to talk to you on the
Nano
roof.
zini kindi cyatuvugane ku gisenge wa musore wamusabye ko bateretana akabyanga. Ku gisenge. Vuye hakuno. Kala.
Hey, just whatever you have to say. Can you
Icyo ushaka kumbwira
make
cyose.
it quick? I'm not really
Bwira vuba mwana ntabwo ngenge nkunda hano hejuru nkanga.
Okay,
Banyine nyine.
when I'm going to tell you something about
Hari
me
ikintu ngiye kukubwira kuri
the
jewe.
3 people in my life know.
Kandi mu buzima bwanjye kizwi n'abantu batatu bonyine.
Can I trust you?
Nakwizera cyane.
Yeah, of course.
Wanyizera.
I really want someone to be excited for me.
Shaka abantu bose banyagarire nanjye ntwika ariko nahitira utindi. Kaya gaye kashize. Nyine.
How to,
Bivuga ko
there's something about me that for most of my life
hari ikintu nyine kuri njyewe nyine maranye ubuzima bwanjye bwose.
I've run from it.
Nahereye kera nkikwepa.
But last night
Ariko ijoro ryashize.
I embraced who I am.
Kuko nahambutse uwo ndi we.
And I don't want to stop.
Kandi sinshaka guhagarara.
Oh my God, you're a lesbian.
Mana yanjye uri umutinganyi. Uri umurezibiyene. Hybrid.
Oh, Kara, that's why you're not into me. This is
Oya ibyo bintu nubimbwiye.
this is great news.
Ariko nari binini amakuru meza.
I'm not gay.
Ntago ndi umutinganyi wa muginge we ngese ngiye barandandavura. Ndi
I'm her.
Jendi we. Yo wa mukobwa.
The woman who saved the plane.
Umugore bwatabaye iriya ndege iriya mugore. Akase mana cyuma dora kare nakajangweri muri company bose bagatuma ikawa n'imbeba do. Rakamene wasasa.
Yeah, okay, right.
Sawa. Rebe, kuva hakuno.
What are you doing?
Urakora ibikikara.
Hey, come.
Gera kuri rooftop y'u Rwanda ruherera.
Get away from the roof.
Va kuri ako gahenebera ariko. Agira gutya. Gakobwa karamanuka arukumanuka bikanga karawe. Ahita yongera azamuka ibirere. Parika hakuno. Hey. Yarikanga wina arikanga. Kasa.
You're her.
Usikuri wewe. Nuko tuzaza nibirahishurugwa. Inacyo gituma bisi batatuzi kasa.
Besides plane rescue, big question is there
Kibazo kihari mwitangazamakuru abantu bose bashyushye. Ese uyu mugore tutaramenya ibye.
More coffee?
Hari aho yabatandukaniye. Nama ya gakawa hano muri kantine. Kiryogo. Wait,
That, sir. Can you believe it? A female hero. Nice for my daughter to have someone like that to look up to.
Nukuri nakifuje kugira abana bakureberera barebera kuri uriya mukobwa. Sawa. Cyiza cyane. Hambe. Hakuno. Hey. Bituvuye ka cyakigabo. Nabonaga muri kantine cyavuyeho kiza hakuno cinjira mu ikamyano muri tanka. Dore umutwe do. Gasani. Ifite umutwe umeze nk'uwa bidi. Nizere ko atarimo hari inyuma atanyuma.
Down. Our trap worked. What happened with the plane part hogs? You were ordered to bring it down. Our trap worked. EO agents were on board and the bomb Then why are they dead? A female. She flew into the sky and cut the plane. Who is she? Jarrell saved his child before Krypton.
Mbere yuko uriya mubumbu ya Krypto urimbuka.
Lula's daughter. She's working with the
umukobwa wa Aurora arimo gukorana n'ikiremwa muntu. Imyaka 12.
We've been forced to hide in the shadows.
Twamaze twishe mu mwijima.
But the general's arrival is imminent.
None generali nibwo kigiye kumenya ibintu. Nta kintu kigomba kubyivangamo. Atagira ikintu kibyivangamo.
To eliminate the human operatives.
Ugomba kurangiza ibikorwa by'ikiremwa muntu.
You can add this girl to the list.
Uwo mukobwa nawe umwongere kuri liste y'ibintu ugomba kurangiza.
Can't promise her death won't be public.
Ntabwo nagusezeranya ko urupfu rwe rutari bube public. Ariko ruraza kwangiza byinshi, it will be messy.
Human casualties are irrelevant.
Abantu babibabariye munari bi byiza cyane. Hakuno. Hey! Ukaba wafasha hano nimba ari igipanga.
He is Allura Zorel's daughter.
Kuko nimba uyu mukobwa ari umukobwa Allura Zorel.
Then she will pay for her mother's debts.
Araza kwishyura imyenda ya nyina yose.
Told her city.
Ndetse n'umujyi atuyemo baraza kubyishyura. Gasani. Hey, tuba twigarukira kat cold wide midi. Wanyira abajande.
How is it? How's it fit?
Mezabit. Umwenda nakudode umeze. Naje mwikariso.
Saving people in this thing.
Shana ntago nzaguruka ngiye gutabara abantu nambaye izi mpenure. Reka ndi kuminina osh.
I wouldn't even wear to the beach. Where's the cape?
Capes are lame.
Because
I said so.
Genda ubwire mubyara ngo navuze ngo.
Never do that.
Yanako. Hakuno. So. Kumudodera so. Kumudodera akantu k'akajipo nako. Reba. Yambaye rinete so.
Oh, you look really pretty without your glasses.
Kuburi cyucyo utambaye rinete. Win. Kakahungukana n'amukobwa.
You need a crime.
Rero iyo ushaka kuba intwara ubukene ahantu hari kubera ibyaha.
I hacked into the NC.
Narajije guhakinga NCPD.
There's a car chase on the 112 freeway.
Hari imodoka iri kwirukankana n'abapolisi mu muhanda.
I could do a car chase.
Unonje kwirukankana n'imodoka. Hakuno bwatunze. Kumbe umuhanda tangira kuja. Tabara bwa mbere aragonga cyewe. Nagaramenye gukoresha imbaraga ze.
Aerodynamics. I should have thought of that.
West National Bags reporting a 432.
Yakira ubumva nanone ahandi habaye ibibazo.
Suspects are armed and dangerous.
Abantu turi gukeka bafite intwaro.
Are you sure you're bulletproof?
Urabizi neza kuri bulletproof bakurasha amasasa atakwinjira.
So.
Kambyizere gutyo hope so. Kumbe kuri bank. Vuyeyo kuri bank umukobwa atangiye kujya atabara. Yambaye n'utuntu. Hakuno. Rebe. Hakuno. Uretse. Wowe. Matamu.
All right, the new cape is made from structured polymer composite. It's much
umwenda mushasha giye kugukorera ngiye kukora muri
sturdier than
igavuga kandi
has the S.
ubu ni isuti ifite n'ikimenyetso cya S
For super.
ihagarariye super
Just like your cousin.
amubyara wawe mwana ebe iyi ntabwo ari S mwana
It's my family's coat of arms.
iki ni nk'aho ari ikirangantego cy'umuryango wanjye mwana
The House of L.
ni ikirangantego cy'inzu yacu yaba L
Warlock fire gates and Eagles.
kiraho kandi habaye
You
kurasana
can't catch on fire.
urabizi neza ko bakurashe gatinze avayo hakuno kiraho umugeri hano kurura bafite amatwi arakora ahita yumva aho biri kubera ahita yerekezayo ari kugenda bamurasha mu kirere bamurasha ibintu by'icyatsi umukobwa amanuka hasi dore uburyo yaparitsemo ibintu ntabwo bisanzwe gasani reba filime witonze bamurasha inshinge z'icyatsi kibisi gasani hebe ukanguka gasani bamuziritse ayo mabuye ni aya kryptonite
Radioactive mineral from your home planet.
ndetse yaturutse ku mubumbe w'iwanyu
It weakens you.
araguca imbaraga it weakens you ihehe
Who are you?
wowe uri
Name is Hank Henshaw.
banyita Hank Henshaw
And I believe you already know
ndakeka bamaze kubimenya
Agent Danvers.
Agent Danvers we ndakeka usanzwe umuzi iki sasa kumbe mukuru we dore ngo ni umu agent
She doesn't need this.
ibi ntabwo yari abikeneye ariko hakuno gasani yarikanga
Welcome to the DEO.
urakaza neza muri DEO
The Department of Extra Normal Operations.
Department of Extra Normal Operations duhangana n'ibirenza abantu iki uyu ni umu agent uhangana n'ibirenza abantu
DEO monitors and protects Earth from extraterrestrial presence.
twebwe akazi kacu inshingano zacu za mbere ni ukurinda isi tukayirinda ibintu byose biturutse mu kirere
Sand or invasion.
byinjira ibituvangira nyine bitwataka invasion
That means you.
ibyo bishatse kuvuga kandi nawe uri invasion uri invada nyine nawe waratwinjiriye hakuno
Here as a reminder of the day you crashed on Earth.
twakibitse hano kugira ngo twibuke umunsi wa mbere wazaga
You're the reason for all of this.
niwe mpamvu y'ibi byose mukuru jewe ariko
But my cousin was here 2 years before me.
ariko mubyara wanjye yari ari hano imyaka hafi nka 20 mbere y'uko
And it was his arrival that triggered the need for this organization.
niyo mpamvu rero akiza yabaye imbarutso yo kugira ngo twubake ikigo nk'iki ngiki
Realize we weren't alone in the universe and we might
twari tumaze kumenya ko ubwo mutakiri mwenyine mu isanzure
soon be getting word. Immigrants.
ndetse twari tumaze kumenya ko vuba cyane tuzabona abandi bimukira bazaza gutura kuri iyi si
Sure enough, you came along.
kandi bidatinze nawe wahise uza
And with you,
kandi wewe nawe
Fort Ross.
waje ucitse muri Fort Rose
Fort Ross?
Fort Rose
Krypton's maximum security prison.
Fort Rose urazi muri Krypton maximum security prison gereza yari irinzwe kurusha izindi zose yari iri kuri Krypton
Banished to the Phantom Zone, same place your ship got stuck, but just like
waragiye ujya muri Phantom Zone wumve ati ubwo wacikaga uva iwanyu kuri Krypton ukagenda ugafatirwa muri Phantom Zone hari na gereza yavuye ku mubumbe w'iwanyu nayo ifatirwa muri Phantom Zone
yours, it didn't stay there.
gusa nk'uko icyo gajuru cyawe kitagumye nayo ntiyahagumye umunsi yazaga umukobwa atangiye kwibuka ubwo yari akiri mu kirere ari muri Phantom Zone hari ikindi kintu bahuye kinini
We do know is this. You pulled Fort Ross with you.
ubwo wazaga wazanye na Fort Ross wazanye na cya kigereza
When it crashed, the alien convicts, the worst criminals in the galaxy,
ubwo wazaga ugaparika kuri isi na aliens zari ziri mfungiye muri ya gereza y'iwanyu ya Fort Ross yaje ku isi
they all escaped.
bose baracitse kandi yaparitse kuri iyi si
You brought them here.
nabo wabazanye hano gasani haya
Beings, some of them have
Ibiremwa.
powers from your darkest nightmares.
bimwe bifite imbaraga zirenze inzozi mbi wagira
For
nijoro
over a decade, they've stayed hidden.
imyaka isaga 10 yari byari bimaze byitsimbye
But in the last year, many have been emerging,
ariko mu minsi mike yo mu myaka yashize bimwe byagiye byigaragaza
making themselves known.
bigatuma tubimenya
Doing something.
bivuze ngo hari ikintu biri gupanga kandi kinini
I'm just not sure what it is yet.
turamenya ngo icyo kintu ni igiki ariko kirahari
Your plane.
indege yawe
That was in an accident.
bivuze ngo ntabwo yari
They were
impanuka
trying to kill you.
bari bari kugerageza kukwica
I can help you stop them.
ariko nabafasha mukabahagarika
How?
gute
Couldn't even stop us from capturing you.
utanaduhagaritse tuje kugufata gute uzaduhagarika ngo dufate abandi
Still learning.
ariko ndacyari
Our
kwiga
job is keeping people in the dark about alien life on Earth.
rero twebwe icyo tuba tugomba gukora ni uguhisha abantu mu mwijima kugira ngo izo aliens zitababona
And nothing says covert operation like a flying woman in a red skirt.
kandi ntabwo ibyo bintu twabikora ngo tubihishe nk'uko wabona umugore uguruka mu kirere yambaye ubwo bujipo n'ubukanzu bw'ubukariso bw'umutuku
What about my cousin? They don't
hanyuma se mubyara wanjye
fear him.
we ko abantu batamutinya
Plenty of people do.
abenshi baramutinya
Just not popular to admit it.
nuko batajya bajya hariya ngo babivuge babyemere
You want to help?
Shaka udufasha.
Go back to getting someone's coffee.
Genda usubire kugihereza umuntu ikawa. Nibyo dukeneye byonyine. Hasani. Ababaye.
I know you're mad.
You're
hurt. I have to tell you every single day. Instead, you told me every single day not to be who I really am. Have to listen to me. Yet, this just kind of feels like one big coincidence. Doesn't it? You working here, hunting down aliens, me being one. I can't help but think the reason that you were recruited was because of me. They recruited me because my background in bioengineering makes me an expert on alien physiology. Helps that I shared a bathroom with one.
namfasha kuba nje na alien dusangira icyumba tubamo ubwo ni nkawe yakavuze ati kuba nje nawe tubarara no mu cyumba kimwe ndagiye keretse nimbagarika ushaka kumagarika ushaka kumagarara kandi nturi bubikora
Hear this Agent Danvers, but she's dangerous.
Yagiye kudashaka kumva ibi bintu Agent Danvers ari kuriya mukobwa nawe ni iki.
All people should know that.
Ndetse n'abantu benshi bakwiriye kubimenya uriya mukobwa n'ubwo mubana nawe ni alien kandi afite imbaraga anytime yatwigumura we yadukubitira hagana inzego hakuno batinze mu gitondo yagarutse ku iki itangazamakuru bita Cat Grant izina rye niryo riri kujyanwa imbere hakuno afashe ifoto yande umukobwa imisatsi yari yayihambuye yari imisatsi sinzi ukuntu yasaga yajano yababaye Supergirl ngo niko mwamwise
We can't name her that.
Ntabwo twamwita Supergirl sasu yarababaye yaje atongana mwibuke niwe Supergirl nyine tu ariko aza bitongana gute mu mwita Supergirl limba mubyara we yitwa Superman ubwo nawe niba mwita Supergirl agendera mu kwaha kwande kwa mubyara we ibyo nibyo adashaka kuki yarika we ntabwo twamwita Supergirl twebwe we nande
right
nyine umbabarire
sorry it's just I don't want to minimize the importance of this.
Sinshaka nyine kugabanya ingano y'ibi ngibi buryo ni ngenzi.
Female superhero.
Nakwe mukobwa w'intwari.
Shouldn't she be called Superwoman?
Ntitwakaye tumwita nka Superwoman tukareka kumwita Supergirl. Supergirl ubwo na agakobwa karaho nyine tu. Tumwite nk'umugore udasanzwe kumwita agakobwa karaho kadasanzwe.
I'm sorry darling, I just can't hear you over the loud color of your cheap pants.
Nago nabasha kukumva pepe nubwo bubara bw'agapantaro gaciriritse wambaye afite nyirabuja wiyemera shaho.
If we call her Supergirl,
nene tumwita Supergirl
something less than what she is.
Bivuze ngo turaba tumupfobeje kuruta uko.
Doesn't that make us guilty of being
utaburi kwishinza cya anti-feminism bavuga ngo nta gufasha abagore no bateka mu bitugu Hambe yaramureba.
You say she was a hero?
Sibari wavuze ngo ni intwari. Ya ni nje ntwari. Uriya se ni intwari yaririmbye.
On the side of this girl I branded her. She will
Mukobwa ni nje wamutwikiye branded hani nje wamutwikiye abantu baramumenya.
Forever be linked to Catgo.
Kandi ashobora kuzazagumana afite cyahuriyeho na Catco.
To the Tribune.
Cyana bakozi. Cyananje. Umbe.
And what do you think is so bad about?
Ubundi se kwa twamwita gakobwa bigutwaye iki? Gaho mbwira. Yes, in the mukobwa, yes, in the
and your boss.
Gakobwa kandi di boss wawe.
Powerful.
Umunyembaraga.
And rich.
Ningagari kazi mezemo neza mfunze mu boko.
And hot.
Dichuchi.
And smart.
Ndi numuhanga wa.
So if you perceive Supergirl as anything less than excellent,
ari ikintu yaba ndengeje.
Isn't the real problem you?
Urumva kitaba ari ikibazo kuri wowe. Gute Supergirl andengeje ikintu cyari cyo cyose. Hari cyazo bifiteho cyangwa irukana ujye kubyigira hano.
You're so smart, Kara.
Kandi niba uri umuhanga Kara amwita Kara.
Could you please give me one reason why I shouldn't fire you?
Wama impamvu imwe byibura ifatika iri butume ntakwirukana.
And smart, Kara. Could you please give me one reason why I shouldn't fire you?
Wama byibura impamvu imwe ituma ntakwirukana kwera. Nubu nsumbe.
And it's an even higher resolution than you hope for.
James,
you are interrupting a very craftily worded termination.
Cara wanted to surprise you, but she has to tell a friend that works at West National City Bank.
ariko yari yatinye kubibwira abantu ngo ababwire yuko ibyabaye kuri National City Bank ari ifoto yafashe.
The branch that got robbed?
Iryo shami ryibwe nyine.
Right.
Yego.
Yes. I went there.
Narahagiye.
No, it took me a while to park.
Yaramutwike.
Narahagiye. The streets. The
modoka yanjye yari iparitse muri uwo muhanda.
The streets are so confusing.
Rebe, hakuru.
You tell it so much.
Asubundi, babimubwira atamusobanura.
Kara convinced her source to allow us to use a photograph that she captured.
Kara nyine ifoto yafashe yashatse ko tuyikoresha ifite n'amakuru. Rebe, hakuru. Ifoto Kara yafashe. Yazanye ifoto hano. Dore mabushangara ni inkuru itwika.
Got a clean image of Supercar?
Ifoto ya nyayo ya Supercar igaragara neza. Gasani. Turacuruje. Tugiye gucuruza.
You can't credit when you do something well. You are going to be at the bottom of the pile forever.
Mwana rero nari ngiye kukwirukana ariko ugiye kuba inkingi ya mwamba none ngiye kubakiraho none. Mazel tov abari yunzanira uyu munsi ngomba kuri uyu
twatwa.
Sha utumye noneho haza indi minsi tu wiguriye indi minsi nari ngiye kukwirukana wowe. Uyu mukobwa katari wakoze ifoto.
Handling the situation.
Kibazo izo nari ngiye kugikira.
Oh yeah? What was your plan to get yelled at?
Pagwa waruwe.
Fired because that was work.
Bari bagiye kugusakuriza bakakwirukana.
I don't need you or anyone else.
Cyana go gukeneye cyangwa ugira undi muntu nyene akara.
My battles for me.
Kugira mu ndwara intambara kiraho. Utwe biramucanga. Atangira kumva amajwi mu mutwe.
If you can hear this,
muri kumva injiri. Ntabwo wavukiye kuri iyi umva amatwa muri amajwi muri mu mutwe.
Yeah, I have a headache.
Umutwe mwana nkeneye amazi. Ngiye kumva amajwi ari kumubwira ati ntabwo wavukiye kuri iyi. Biri kukurya mu mutwe sibyo? Uriya mugore wari uri kuri National City azaba bari incuro 10. Utaza kujye nawe tubona numva amajwi ari kumurya mu mutwe. Umukobwa bari kumubwira. Cya kigabo twabonye kivuga ngo kigomba guhangana n'umukobwa wande.
Are going to die.
Na abantu b'inzira karengane bangaye bagiye gupfa.
Prove that you're not a coward.
Kugira kugaragaza kutari kigwara. Wenda dohangana mukobwa arura. Iryo jwi bivuze ngo umuntu ubizi byanze bikunze. Uko agomba ko yaraturutse kuri uriya mubumbe wa Clipto. Kiza gutyo umukobwa vayo bahangane uko yazamutse ibirere. Raka Supergirl episode ya mbere. Umukobwa Sava yirukanka. Parika hakuno. Reba hakuno aparitse muri Ewasa. Harya Ewasa niyo y'amazi cyane y'amashanyarazi.
Picking a spot lined with lead.
Wasake ni y'amazi. Ubwo sawa. Kira nyuma dimwe. Amutamo cya kigabo cya muhamagaraga. Yarakubiswe shawo. Kigabo hakuno gifite ishoka.
My planet, females bow before males.
This is
mubumbe wacu abagore bapfukamira abagabo.
Not your planet.
Ariko uyu mubumbe nagaruwe iwacu.
You look like Allura.
Urasa na Allura we.
You know my mother's name.
Izina rya mama gute.
Forget the name of the woman who condemned you to prison.
Gute nakwibagirwa izina ry'umugore wancize muri gereza. Wari ufungiye muri Fort Ross.
She was our judge.
Yari umucamanza niwe waduciraga imanza.
And jailer.
And the jailer anadufunga.
Can't kill her.
Ntabwo nabasha kuvuga.
Killing you will have to do.
Ariko wenda kwica tu. Gerageza se. Bayo bakoranamo. Akuno. Kigabo. Bebe. Jano. Kigabo. Muratsa. Kigabo kimu. Tamo. Muziga mfite imbaraga ntabwo ari wowe wenyine uzifite. Nagasani. Yarakubiswe shawo. Yarakubiswe kigabo. Kimutupa hakurya.
Because you wear that symbol on your chest doesn't mean you're him.
Kubera kwambaye icyo kimenyetso mu gatuza ntikikugira uriya mugabo we ntabwo kikugira mu byara wawe Superman.
Him would be an honor.
Kurwana na Superman byaba ari iby'icyubahiro ariko kurwana nawe just exercise ni ukwishyushya. Mutera muratse wowe badepoza nko muri 25 bamuta nk'uko wahagarara hano ugata umuntu munsi y'umurenge wa Rwamagana.
You could stop me.
Usko wahagarika.
You be able to stop any of us.
Uteka ko wahagarika byibura umwe muri twe. Badepoza hakurya. Asani ambaraga afite. Kigabo kimuri bubi. Bana yo hakuno. Muratse gitamu. Mutera ishoka. Shira mukata. Kigabo.
Now you know what it's like to bleed.
Uzibu none umaze kumenya ibyari byo kuva amaraso kuva yavuka yaratarava amaraso.
Your city will bleed.
Umugi wawe wose ugiye kuva amaraso Gasani. Shira aho. Yavuyeyo. Zirasi kigabo gifata ishoka gicaho. Kigabo cyafashe ishoka gicaho. Rebe. Hakuno. Haya.
Grab one. Pursue the hostile.
Copy that.
Kigabo agikurikiza pashi indege y'urugamba. Kigabo abagabo barakurikira tujyana ikigabo nacyo kirataruka we.
Hey, I'm here. I got you.
Hano ndagufite mwana, hano ndagufite. Reba bamubaze ku kabako. Hakuno gasani bagikuramo akantu kari kasigayemo k'akamanyu do ngo umubiri urite uraza kumera neza.
I never felt pain like that before. I'd never felt pain. You're not indestructible, Kara.
Nice move, nearly letting that alien cut you in half. If we can hide his weapon, it might give us a way to...
Never felt pain like that before. I got you. Never felt pain. I never felt pain.
Sinigeze niyumvamo uburibwe.
Not indestructible, Kara.
Ntabwo uri umuntu utatsindwa Kara.
Nice move, nearly letting that alien cut you in half.
Sha wakoze neza ko batumye alien igukata.
If we can hide his weapon, it might give us a way to defeat him. Look at that.
Reba hariya mwana. Reba hariya.
You did help.
Wadufashije sawa. Wakoze.
You know about my mom?
Bya mama rubizi.
That she was the one who locked up all those aliens?
Kari we wari warafunze ziriya aliens zose.
It's why I didn't want you going out there.
Niyo mpamvu ntashakaga kujya hariya hanze mwana.
Showing yourself.
Kugira ngo uje kwigaragaza. Ugaragaza ibyo ugaragaza izo mbaraga.
Fort Ross escapees would give anything to get revenge on your mother.
Abantu bacitse muri Fort Ross bazakora igishoboka icyari cyo cyose.
And the only way
ngo bakwihorereho bahorere ibyo nyoko yabako.
They can do that now. Is to hurt you.
Kandi uburyo bwonyine bakora ibyo bintu ni ukukubabaza. Uranyumva? Hakuno.
I'm trying to protect you.
Ndikugerageza kukurinda.
Right?
Wavuga gukora koko. Yarabibonye.
The world doesn't need me.
Koko bisa nk'ayisi itankeneye mwe. Umve. Muri DEA ati bisa nk'ayisi itankeneye. Rebe hakuno. Tuvuye aho ngaho turacyari mu mujyi umwe. Tashye ninjoro yabonye ko ibyakeka atari ko Kara ni njyewe.
Can we talk?
Twaganira. Reba bona ni Alex amaso itaskani ngacamo. Ndabizi ko wandeba mwana, ndabizi.
I know what you're thinking.
Sibyo uri gutekereza mwana. Barakuranye nyine tu.
It's all your fault. But it's not.
Kibi byose ari amakosa yawe ariko ntago ari yo mwana.
Before you came to live with us,
mbere yuko uza kubana natwe,
I was the star.
Nari inyenyeri mwana.
And then, I mean,
hanyuma,
how could I compete with you?
Ni gute nari guhangana nawe ukiza se?
With someone who could touch the stars.
Ni gute nari guhangana n'umuntu ushobora kujya mu kirere agakora kuri izo nyenyeri nje banyita ngo ni
I was happy when you decided not to use your powers.
Narishimye umunsi wafataga umwanzuro wo kutazakoresha imbaraga zawe.
You feeling like less.
Ugatangira kwiyumva nkaho nyine tu nawe.
Somehow it made me feel like more.
Je byatumye numva ndi ibindi birenze.
The world needs you to fly.
Ubu rero isi iragukeneye ngo uguruke mwana. Hala. Ebe.
I can't, Alex.
Ntago byakunda Alex.
Yeah.
Ntago nabikora.
Wabikora. The family believes in you.
Nimba umuryango wawe kwizerera, bizunyizera.
I don't mean me.
Oya ntago nshatse kuvuga njewe. Umve.
That's Kryptonite's writing.
We uyu ni umukona ariko wo muri Krypton.
Hank and his old team recovered it from the pod that brought you to Earth.
Hank na timu ye ya kera ibyo bakivanye mu cyogashuru cyakusanye kuri iyi si. Ebe hakuno. Gatinze yaje kureba hano abantu kavanywe mu cyogashuru yaziye maza kuri iyi si. Sangamo mama we.
My brave daughter.
Mukobwa wanjye ufite umutima ukomeye.
By now you have become the woman I knew you would grow up to be.
Ubu ndabizi wahindutse umugore narinzi kuzaba we nuko.
And though you were sent to Earth to protect young Kal-El,
woherejwe ku isi uje kurinda mubyara wawe Kal-El.
Your destiny is not tied to his.
Ariko nanone ahazaza hawe ntago haziritse ku ha mubyara wawe Kal-El. Ya.
There is no correct path in life.
Buriya nta nzira igororotse baho mu buzima mwana.
You will lose your way many times.
Akenshi uzajya ugira gutyo bagurike.
What's important is that you find your way back to
ariko icy'ingenzi ni uko uzajya wongera ugasubira mu nzira yanyaye kugeza aho wagombaga.
Brave girl you always were.
Ndetse ugahinduka umukobwa ufite umutima ukomeye kuko iteka byawe. Ukagira ubwenge.
Be strong.
Ndetse ugakomera.
And always be true to yourself.
Kandi iteka ryose uzumve ko ari wewe nyawe tu. Umbe hakuno. Hakuno. Uze gutya ko yari projecteri. Kal-El. Unikala. Kal-El.
So what do we do now?
None se ubu tugiye gukora iki?
Things first.
ikintu cya mbere tugiye gukora ukeneye guhindura iyo myenda. Hindura imyenda nkwereke utuntu tujyamo. Bwatinze yamugaruye muri DEA. Mugaruye muri DEA. Savimbi n'ibivugirizo byawe. Agent Denvers na mushiki uturutse ku wundi mubumbe. Ari hano gadufashe kurwanya Vortex. Sinakubwiye ko ntizera aliens.
There's no one I trust more.
Ariko nje nta numwe ntizera.
Like her cousin, she was sent here to help us.
Nuko mubyara we yoherejwe kuri isi ngaza dutabare.
And if you want any more of my help,
nimba ukeneye ubufasha bwanje,
we're gonna let her.
Turamureka aza dufashe nawe.
I found Vartox.
Vortex ndamubonye.
Mams.
Ndamubonye Marusha ndamubonye.
Where?
Hey umubonye rero. Vortex ni cya kigabo bari banganye ko.
Metal you extracted from Supergirl's arm.
Agace twavanye mu kabako ka Supergirl.
Vortex's axe has a unique new.
Kavuye ku ishoka ya Vortex.
Your thumbprint.
Tumubonye mu ruganda rukora ibitwaro bya nuclear.
I'm up heading towards the city.
Tari kwerekeza mu muci.
The city was ready to start killing humans.
Nimba agiye kuja mu mujyi bwagiye gutangira kwica abantu.
Strike team intercept.
Itubwira strike team ibyivange.
The men will not be able to stop.
Abagabo bawe ntago bari bubashe kumuhagarika.
Give your opinion, Miss Danvers.
Urakoze kubw'igitekerezo cyawe duhaye Miss Danvers.
Director Henshaw.
Director Henshaw.
People of this city
abantu ba muri uyu mujyi baraza gupfa
because of something I did.
Kubera ikintu nakoze.
I started this.
Ibi ni njye wabitangiye.
Have to let me stop it.
Rero reka nabihagarika. Reka mbihagarika. Umenye neza kuri butsinde amukobwa ibintu ugiye kwishoramo. Hakuno Vortex yerekeje mu muci. Icyakigo twabonye gifite urutirigongo rumeze nk'urw'ingona. Amaso yafite ku gipimo yamufite. Yava umukobwa gonga wowe ikigabo kivamo. Hakuno. Hey. Umukobwa yagonze hoho. Ayari. Episode ya mbere muri Supergirl. Kigabo cyise Vortex. Hakuno.
Never should have come back for more.
Ntabwo wakabaye wagarutse nimba udakeneye ibirenze. Bayo! Kigabo! Uretse parika hakuno. Kigabo kitaramutamo. Kitamo. Uretse! Kigabo kimukura amenyo gifatisha. Uriya mukobwa nta mbaraga afite zihambaye.
Because she's just a girl.
Kubera ko ari umukobwa se cyangwa.
That's exactly what we were counting on.
Ibyo n'ubundi twari twiteze. Kigabo! Agitamo! Gitakurya kaburimbo kirayiritura.
Analyze the metal in the axe.
Amaze gukwanariza kiriya cyuma cyavuye kuri iriya shoka.
It's powered by a self-generating atomic charge.
Self-generating atomic. Ndabibabwira guki mu Kinyarwanda mwihangane. Ni ubutare bwikoreshwa ukuntu.
Temperatures up to 2500 degrees.
Kiriya cyuma cyashyuha kikagera kuri dogere 2500.
How does that help?
Ibyo biradufasha iki?
If it gets any hotter than that, it's gonna
umukobwa aramutse abashije gushyuha birenze hariya.
Explode.
Kiriya gishoka afite cyatuma.
Has to get close enough to do her thing.
Gusa nanone uriya mukobwa bigomba kumusaba ko ari hafi ya kiriya gishoka kugira ngo agire ikintu akora. Uretse hakuno. Hanganye. Ni kigabo. Kura amenyo. Uretse ni cya Vortex. Funaka. Kaguruki. Kimutamo. Kimuca umugongo napfuye. Taragenda kiramugarura vayo.
Stop it! I give up.
Mwana, ekera umvuye kuri. Sinchagu.
Give your mother my regards.
Genda utsurize nyoko.
Do it now.
Karabikora nona. Kararaka mu maso. Dore karagaraka mu maso. Yagasani. Yatse mu maso. Dore ngishoka arayitwika. Ntago biri gukora mwe. Ntago nabibaje.
You were sent here. I believe that now. You have to believe it too.
Nimba mbyizera nawe ugomba kubyizera. Bebe, hakuno. Yaracyanira ishoka arayisudira, arayitwika, ishoka iraka. Wadogera 22,500 ishoka arayiturikije. Ugasana. Bebe, hakuno isaye. Ishoka ikigabo yaragitwitse arayimenira amanyuka. Yaraje mwana. Uraceka ndi ikibi. You
have no idea what's coming.
Nta gitekerezo ufite kibigiye kuza. Kigabo gihita kiyahura Nyagasani. Kigabo cyahise kiyahura. Gusa twabonye kigabo hari ahandi gitanga raporo. Twarabibonye. Kigabo hari ahandi gitanga raporo. Ubwo turakeka ndi ikibi. Tegura ibigiye kukuzira. Aya akuno. Alien yayishyize hasi.
She won.
Yagende ku mategeko yawe aratsinze mwana. Cyane kuri inshuro ariko gusa.
Director
Henshaw.
I wasn't only recruited because of my sister.
Was I?
Nizere ko mutampaye akazi hano kubera mushiki wanjye, sibyo?
Yeah, she's why you got in.
Niyo mpamvu twaguhaye akazi rero.
You.
Wowe?
Why you get to stay.
Niyo mpamvu ugomba no kuguma hano. Hey! Twaguhaye akazi kubera mushiki wa Nyagasani yarababaye Alex. Yarababaye kuguhaye akazi. Twigarukire muri Cat Cold White.
If I believe the comments on the website, they mentioned a female/reptilian.
Nyine narebye comment za banditse kuri website, mwibuke bafite website bakagera n'igitangazamakuru cyandika abantu bari bavuga ngo uyu mugore w'umureptilian ni
match in the desert.
I'll tell you all about it in our next crime fighting lunch hour.
Nana daza kukubwira ibiri bukurikire bya haraye habereye.
So the super friends are back.
We're not calling ourselves that.
Nagaruko twita gutyo mwana.
James,
we kaje kasaze.
Do you have time to grab lunch?
Ufite igihe tuze gusangira.
You must be hungry.
Urashonje arito.
Probably burn up a lot of calories fighting an axe-wielding alien.
Bisa nkaho ubwo ngubwo nyine wumva amagambo atushobora kuba za karori zagushize mu mubiri uri mu rwana na axe-wielding alien, uri kurwana n'iki alien kirwanisha ishoka.
On the roof.
Duhurire ku gisenge. Hey! Ukobwa bitete uyu mugabo abiza ati feri ya mbere baje ku gisenge. Rebe.
You knew.
Wari ubizi?
This whole time.
Iki gihe cyose wari ubizi?
He told you.
Yarabikubwiye.
He knew that I was trying to expand my own horizons, so
icyo arazi nuko nari ndi kugerageza kwaguka muri njye.
favor, he asked me to expand them here.
Nambwira ati ninaguke nza no muri uyu mujyi wa National City. Mve.
Hang out. Near you.
Mugume hafi tujye dusohokana.
So wait a minute.
Buretse.
He wanted me to do this?
Yashakaga ko ibi bintu mbikora se. Superman.
Just tell me.
Ujya tabimbwe Superman ubwo waba ari kuvuga.
You choose it for yourself.
Kubera ko yagira ngo uzabyihitiremo ubwawe ku giti cyawe mwana. Kuko nawe yabyihitiyemo.
Makes a hero, Kara.
Kandi ibyo nibyo byamugize intwari Kara.
Here.
Eba.
From him.
Imana yaturutse kuri we. Ni ibyiwe. Ni Superman. Zoreri. Uko bamwita Kala. Denvaz. Hakuno. Rebe.
It's the blanket he was wrapped in when he was a baby.
Akani ko karingiti bari bamufurebye makiraka gatoya mwana.
Apparently this cape won't shred.
Uziko ikibabaje none uyu mwenda udasaza we. Ushanguke shred. Urakoze mwana. Turakoze. Cyo bamwereje kwisaje kurinda mubyara wagira yarakuze. Atewe ishema nawe mwana. Kandi nanjye ntewe ishema nawe.
Now, don't you city to protect?
Nta mujyi ufite wo kurinda se.
You know.
Uzi n'ikindi?
Up and away.
Hejuru mu nzira twimanukira tujye up. Hakuno. Aya, akindi cyabaye. Umukobwa y'ibirere.
Sent here to protect my cousin.
Norejwe kuri isi nca kurinda mubyara wanje.
Turns out he didn't need my protection.
Ariko ibintu byaje guhinduka nta gikene bufasha bwanje.
There is a whole planet full of people who do.
Ariko isi yuzuyemo abantu benshi cyane, uyu mubumbe yuzuyemo abantu benshi bakeneye ubwo bufasha bwanje mubyara wanje atabukeneye. Yakiri hano ni Cat Grant nyiri Cat Code Wide Media. Abona Supagara atambitse imbere y'inzu ye kandi ashaka kumukuraho inkuru itari ivumbi.
Earth doesn't have just one hero anymore.
Ibisi ntabwo igifite intwari imwe yonyine. Ubu none aka kanya isi nangira mfite
Supergirl.
Ubu nicyo gihe isi ifite Supergirl. Hey, hakuno.
Vartox is dead.
Vartox yapfuye commander.
Chose death over capture.
Yahisemo urupfu aho kugira ngo afatwe.
Typical of his race.
He did accomplish one
yakoze akazi ke neza cyane.
thing. The identity of the girl.
Gusa uyu mukobwa twamumenye.
It seems she is Illyra's daughter.
Bisa nkaho uyu mukobwa ari umukobwa Aurora. Harahatanzwe raporo hano. Gasani. Hey.
Dear little niece.
Mwishwa wanjye. Aya.
Of course.
Cyane rwose.
She escaped with her cousin.
Acikanye na mubyara we.
And much less of a threat than he is to our endeavors.
You're wrong.
Ubu rero ikirenze nuko agiye kuturwanya uribeshya.
If she's anything like her mother, she will be
Buriya mukobwa muri kumuca amazi kandi akaramuka ateye nka nyina.
just as formidable.
Umenye ko ibintu bidasanzwe.
It was my right.
Byari uburenganzira bwanjye.
Krypton, I will lead Earth.
Kuyobora uriya mubumbe wa Krypton, ubu rero ngiye kuyobora isi. Ko byagenda kose.
I will.
Tugiye kuyobora isi. Hey.
Enter and kill her.
Ushaka uwo mukobwa mu mwigisho ni mwishwa we. Koko generali we.
After all,
nyuma ya byose ko
Kara is your blood.
Karazoreri ni amaraso yawe.
No one can be allowed to stand against us.
Ariko nanone nta muntu ugomba guhagarara ngo ahangane natwe. Umve.
Not even my niece.
Kabone nawe yaba ari mwishwa wanje umwici. Hey. episode ya mbere muri seri yacu bahise Super Girl season ya mbere episode ya mbere. Aje dukomeze na episode ya kabiri nta gutinda mu nzira. Bibutse ushaka filime ushaka kuzibonera ku gihe, filime ko ziharira ko zamenetse ya nikira kuri WhatsApp 078 022 4403 cyangwa 078 21 29 503 ya uri muri episode ya kabiri.